Here's a map of ancient Egypt.
I've inserted 2 sticks, or obelisks. One up here in Alexandria, and one down here in Syene. Now, if at a certain moment, each stick casts no shadow at all, that's perfectly easy to understand, provided the Earth is flat. If the shadow at Syene is at a certain length, and the shadow at Alexandria is the same length, that also makes sense on a flat Earth. But how could it be, Eratosthenes asked, that at the same instant there was no shadow at Syene and a very substantial shadow at Alexandria? The only answer was that the surface of the Earth is curved.